In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a box plot using CodeApp. So in your task on your Word document, you'll find a link to a CodeApp page. If you click on the link, which is around about here, you'll be taken to this page. I'll shift your view so you can see the rest of it. If you should be familiar with this if you've already completed the dot plots activity. So you've got preloaded onto this page, you've got a data set which is taken from the responses of all the year 9, well, the 9 Mat P1 and 9 Mat P3 students who participated in the Census at School. You have 21 students who had responded at the time that I made this video, and you've also got next to that data set you've got a blank graphing window. And what we're going to do first of all is just draw a dot plot for this. So we're going to select one variable. I'm not going to use the variable that I'm asking you to do in the activity. We'll do something else. We'll do what should we do? We do wrists. So wrist circumference. Drag that onto our x-axis. Here's the distribution of wrist circumferences in the 21 Year 9 students that participated in the Census at School survey. And then on top of this, we are going to add a box plot. And the way to do that is to go up here to the ruler menu, and then we are going to select from that menu, we're going to select box plot. Click on it, and there it is. And you can do other things while you're here as well. You can get it to emphasize, there are a couple of things there that might be of importance to you. The median, which is already there, but if you wanted to sort of draw that all the way down to your number line at the bottom so you could read that accurately, you see that the median is 16. And then we can do the same thing with the mean. So it doesn't actually tell you what the value of the mean is, or does it? Well, it does. So you hover over it and it'll tell you what the actual value is, 16.47. So that's your mean and that's your median. And then you do exactly the same thing. I'll take those off. Do exactly the same thing we did for the activity on dot plots. To copy this, we are going to go down here to the camera icon, click on that. We're going to export this image. We're going to save it somewhere locally on our computer. If you've got a Google Drive, you can save it to your Google Drive. You're going to give it a reasonable name. This is, what is this, wrist circumference. One word. We're going to download that, so that's going to go in. We'll just stick it in the downloads folder. We'll save that, and then we'll go back into our, I'm just going to show you how to do this, go back into our Word document, put our cursor into the place, or position in the place where we want to put our graph. Go up here so we can see all the menus, and then we're going to go into Insert, and we're going to go Insert, and we're going to select Pictures. And then we're going to go into our downloads and find that downloaded picture that we just did, wrist circumference. There it is. Insert it, and the last thing I'm going to do is just resize it like that. And we're done.